Hi teachers. Usually I know that we all love to play games, and if you give the chance to children, they really enjoy a lot. So I'm going to introduce two games to introduce or to learn this yes or no question. The first game is called guessing game. You give any situation to your students like last week I went somewhere and I bought something, and ask your students to guess where I went and what I bought. And children will keep on guessing. Like, did you go to Hyderabad? No. Did you go to Vizag? No. Did you go to Vijayawada? No. Then you can give some clues. Well, like there's a lotus temple. Oh, did you go to Delhi? Yes, I went. And the second one, as I told that I bought something. Then you can ask like, did you buy a mobile? Then I said no. Oh, did you buy a laptop? No. Did you buy dresses? No. Sir, did you buy for you or for your children or for your wife? Yeah, I bought for my children. Then, did you buy any toys? Yes, I bought a toy. So this is how we can give some interesting activities so children will enjoy. Now there is one more interesting activity for this yes or no question. Once children are very comfortable, then what you can do is, this game is called don't say yes, don't say no. So what you can ask one child to bring here and let all the students ask questions like, are you mad? Or are you Madhu? Are you a student? Are you clever? Or do you like apples? Do you have pens? Like, do you know how to speak English? Or can you speak? Can you eat? So a lot of questions will be asking by your students, but you know, most of the times our students will be saying yes or no. If the child says yes, yes, I eat eggs, then he's out of the game. So in this way, you can give practice to improve their questioning skills. And that's how you can help and create a friendly classroom to help your children to frame a lot of questions. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much.